In this video, we'll break down the diverse landscape of MVP types, exploring their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you determine the perfect approach to turn your vision from a risky hypothesis into a validated, market-ready reality. We will help you understand the benefits of using an MVP and what type is best for your business. Low-fidelity MVPs. Low-fidelity MVPs are basic, inexpensive prototypes or experiments designed to validate a business idea quickly without investing significant time or resources. They are often used to test assumptions, gauge customer interest, and potential demand for a solution. Key characteristics: simplicity, requires minimal development effort or advanced features. Cost-effective, built using basic tools like sketches, wireframes, or simple digital platforms. Quick to launch, allows for rapid testing and validation of ideas. Primary purpose: understand customer problems and challenges, assess whether there is demand for a solution, identify the ideal direction for product development. Landing Page Minimum Viable Product, MVP, is a streamlined web page designed to validate a business idea by gauging user interest and collecting feedback with minimal development effort. It presents the core value proposition to potential customers, encouraging actions like sign-ups or pre-orders to assess demand before full-scale product development. Pros: quick validation, rapidly assesses market interest without extensive development. Cost-effective, requires minimal resources, making it budget-friendly for startups. Early feedback, gathers user insights to inform product development. Risk reduction, identifies potential issues early, minimizing financial and time investments. Cons: limited functionality, may not fully represent the final product's capabilities. Potential misinterpretation, users might misunderstand the product's scope based on the limited information. Competition exposure, revealing an idea early could attract competitors. How to create a landing page MVP: define your value proposition, clearly articulate the problem your product solves and its benefits. Identify target audience, understand who your potential customers are to tailor the messaging effectively. Design the landing page: headline, description, call to action, CTA, visuals. Set up analytics, implement tools to track user interactions and measure engagement. Drive traffic, utilize marketing strategies like social media, email campaigns, or paid ads to attract visitors. Collect and analyze feedback, assess user responses and behavior to validate the idea and inform further development. Pre-order Minimum Viable Product, MVP. A pre-order minimum viable product, MVP, is a strategy where businesses offer customers the opportunity to pay up front for a product or service that is still in development or hasn't been released yet. This approach serves as a powerful validation tool, allowing companies to assess demand and secure initial funding before full-scale production. Pros: strong validation. Securing pre-orders provides direct evidence of customer interest and willingness to pay, offering robust validation for the product concept. Early funding. Advanced payments can generate initial capital, aiding in covering development costs and reducing financial risks. Committed user base. Pre-order customers are likely to become early adopters, providing valuable feedback and promoting the product through word of mouth. Cons: customer expectations. Failure to deliver the product on time or as promised can lead to customer dissatisfaction and potential reputational damage. Limited feedback. While pre-orders confirm interest, they may not provide detailed insights into specific features or user preferences. Financial risk. If the product fails to meet expectations or faces delays, the company may face refund requests or legal challenges. How to implement a pre-order MVP. Develop a compelling offer. Clearly articulate the product's value proposition, highlighting its unique features and benefits to entice potential customers. Create a pre-order platform. Set up a user-friendly website or landing page where customers can easily place pre-orders, ensuring secure payment processing. Set clear expectations, communicate realistic delivery timelines and any potential risks to manage customer expectations effectively. Promote the pre-order campaign. Utilize marketing channels such as social media, email newsletters, and partnerships to reach a broader audience and drive pre-order sales. Engage with pre-order customers. Maintain open communication with customers throughout the development process, providing updates and gathering feedback to refine the product. High-fidelity MVPs are more advanced, functional prototypes that closely resemble the final product. They require a higher level of development and are used to test whether customers are willing to pay for the solution. Key characteristics: complexity includes more detailed design and functionality compared to low-fidelity MVPs. Resource intensive demands greater investment in time, effort, and budget. Real-world testing provides insights into actual customer behavior and usage. Primary purpose: validate the product's ability to solve customer problems effectively. Determine if customers are willing to pay for the solution. Engage early adopters and collect feedback for refining the product. Test and optimize marketing strategies, pricing models, and growth channels. Single feature minimum viable product, MVP. A single feature minimum viable product, MVP, is a streamlined version of a product that focuses exclusively on delivering one core feature. This approach allows businesses to test the market viability of their primary value proposition with minimal resources and time investment. Pros: focused development. Concentrating on a single feature enables teams to allocate resources efficiently, ensuring high-quality execution of the core functionality. Rapid market entry. With a narrowed scope, products can be developed and launched more quickly, allowing for swift market testing and user feedback collection. Clear value proposition. A single feature product clearly communicates its primary benefit to users, reducing complexity and enhancing user understanding. Cons: limited functionality. Focusing on one feature may not meet all user needs, potentially limiting initial adoption. Competitive risk. Competitors with more comprehensive offerings might overshadow a single feature product, making differentiation challenging. Scalability concerns. Expanding the product to include additional features later may require significant restructuring if not planned appropriately from the outset. How to develop a single feature MVP. Identify the core feature. Determine the most critical functionality that addresses a specific problem for your target audience. Conduct market research. Validate the demand for this feature by engaging with potential users and analyzing market needs. Plan for future scalability. While focusing on one feature, design the architecture to accommodate additional features in the future without requiring complete redevelopment. Develop and launch. Build the product with an emphasis on delivering the core feature effectively, then release it to the market to gather user feedback. Iterate. Based on feedback. Use insights from early adopters to refine the feature and inform decisions about potential additional functionalities. Piecemeal minimum viable product, MVP. A piecemeal minimum viable product, MVP, is a strategy where businesses utilize existing tools, services, or technologies to assemble a functional prototype of their product or service. This approach allows companies to test their value proposition without the need to develop every component from scratch. Pros: cost-effective. By leveraging existing resources, businesses can reduce development costs and allocate funds more efficiently. Faster time to market. Utilizing pre-built solutions accelerates the development process, enabling quicker market entry. Flexibility. This approach allows for easy adjustments and iterations based on user feedback, facilitating rapid refinement of the product. Cons: limited customization. Relying on existing tools may restrict the ability to tailor the product to specific needs or preferences. Integration challenges. Combining various tools and services can lead to compatibility issues, potentially affecting the product's performance and user experience. Dependency risks. Dependence on third-party services introduces risks related to their reliability, availability, and potential discontinuation. How to implement a piecemeal MVP. Identify core components. Determine the essential features and functionalities that define your product's value proposition. Research existing solutions. Explore available tools, platforms, or services that can fulfill these core components effectively. Integrate components. Combine the selected solutions to create a cohesive prototype, ensuring they work seamlessly together. Test with users. Launch the MVP to a select group of users to gather feedback on its performance and usability. Iterate based on feedback. Use the insights gained to refine and improve the product, addressing any issues or limitations identified during testing. Thank you so much for watching till the end. We truly appreciate your time and attention. If you ever need assistance at any stage of your software development journey, whether it's design, development, or deployment, we're here to help. Feel free to reach out to us anytime. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Take care, and we look forward to working with you soon.